Hi, welcome to Key and Craig's Crazy Craft Corner. We thought you might get a kick out of seeing us actually installing all of the builds that we've done throughout the year on the actual house. So Craig is here today to help me with the install. We also have Luis, who is a veteran of my Halloween and Christmas installs. He's helped us for about the last 10 years doing all the installs, so he knows all the tricks on how to get things done. So today's video is basically just gonna be a compilation of us putting all of the different decorations into the different areas, and then we'll show you the finished product.
And hopefully not falling.
And yes, there's a lot of stuff done on ladders and on the roof. We're gonna try and get some GoPro footage of that just so you can be as terrified as we are every time we go up there. So hopefully it'll be a safe day, a quick day, and the weather will hold out. But as you can see, there's a lot of stuff to do today. So we're going to get started on that. Thank you so much for joining us. Oh, shit! Okay, it's okay.
Yep.
All right.
One little toe, but that's not a big deal. I think so. And then whatever fell off on the back.
One of the front toes broke. Do we need to send some glue and pins up?
A little bit of glue and just like a wooden sticky
Not the T-pins. You want the T-pins?
T-pin or
Yeah, just put the glue and then put a T-pin in. You can leave the T-pins in. They're not going to show.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right, so we are about halfway done with the day so far.
Finally on the ground.
Yeah, Craig's been up on the
And
ladder.
Luis.
And Luis
our
has been
cameraman.
up on the ladder all day today. We've got our big stuff up on the roof so far. Now we're just going to start working on our archway, and Brian's been busy on our front yard.
You should get some shots of that.
I did. So we're going to work on that as well. And then we'll get back with you. So we are finished for the most. What are we doing? For the most part, we are done. It really took a village today to get all of this done. We got our devil dog.
Dysfunctional village.
Dysfunctional. We got our devil dog and our
Zool!
Zool done on the top of the roof. Craig did that today. We got our Ghostbusters up on the other side. We got our skull arch from previous years, and if you'd like to see how we made this skull arch, we do have a video on how we made this, so check that out. We got our front yard all done, all our different tombstones. I'm going to take some pictures of those and put them in there later today. And then we got all our marshmallow men up. I'm going to do a little video on the marshmallow men that you can check out on how we made that.
And then just once it gets dark, we'll double check our lighting and make sure all our spotlights are spotting the right things.
Yeah. We also did a video on our Zool dog, our terror dog that we made. So,
And by we mean her. She.
But I made the video. Craig has been really busy these days and hasn't been able to help as much as he would like. So we've had a lot of guest people come in and help out, and we're going to try and get that video put together and get that on our YouTube channel. So if you want to see more videos from us, be sure and subscribe to our channel.
Smash that like, subscribe, and share button. I've heard that on other channels.
Right? Like every single video.
Like smash it. Just click it. It's fine.
You can just gently caress our like
Wow.
button.
Woohoo, all right.
All right. I'm supposed to tell you that the dog is Gozer the... No, what?
She's Gozer.
Oh, she's Gozer.
She's Gozer the
How did you
Gozerian.
say she was?
Zool.
Oh, you said Zool.
I said Zool.
Okay, Craig doesn't know what he's talking about. He hasn't been here. Anyways, thanks for joining us today. We will take some pictures of the house when it's all completely finished. We've had a lot of people come by today.
Yes.
And they're all excited by it. So thank you so much for joining us, and check out all our videos. Hi, welcome back to Key and Craig's. We thought it might be fun for
Key and
you
Craig's
guys.
what?
Oh, Key and Craig. Okay. Yeah.
Delete.
All right.
Start
Start over.